Book/cold open 000-0. 33 months ago, Jordan had no clue AI could earn him $100 in his first try. In fact, he nearly quit after his first fail. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how he crossed that first $100, and the 3 underrated AI tools anyone can use to do the same starting today. Open loop, stick around by the end. You'll see which tool actually worked best and the exact steps to try it yourself tonight. Setup 030-200. Jordan's 24, lives in Buffalo, NY. Works retail at Target. AI, not on the radar until January 2026 when hours got cut. Like most beginners, he tried the usual survey sites, slow, Upwork, no buyers, TikTok hustle videos impossible to follow. Felt like every side hustle was already taken. He set one simple goal, make $100 online using no startup cash. Zero tech skills, real tool. Could a regular person use the hype to their advantage? It took a month of trying and failing. Here's where it gets interesting. Rising Action 200-400. That's when Jordan found Stockum AI. Never heard of it, most haven't. It's like Dolly but focus on print-on-man art, no complicated Photoshop. He used their free trial to create 5 poster designs, no art skills needed. One was Vaporwave Cat Astronaut. He uploaded it to TeePublic and Redbubble. It cost him nothing. In 4 days, 2 sales. $8, not $100s, but it was money with zero spend. Motivating. Feeling the momentum, Jordan chased the next tool. List AI. Scans Facebook Marketplace and Nextdoor for underpriced gadgets, then tells you it will probably flip on eBay for more. The AI even writes the listing copy. Jordan found a pair of used AirPods for $25. List AI showed eBay listings. Same model, selling for $60 plus regular. He bought the AirPods with $25 earned from some old video games he sold locally. Listed them with List AI's copy. Pattern break, new visual, B-roll. Shoestring unboxing of battered AirPods parcel, Jordan photographing with his phone. Within a week, sold for $61. Mini cliffhanger, but wait, $44 profit, still nowhere near $100. Jordan almost gave up. Complications 400-600. Here's where things went sideways. Try hash 1, Stockum AI was working, but sales stalled. Some posters got taken down for copyright AI lookalike issues. Try hash 2, sourcing was brutal. Most Facebook deals were time sensitive. Jordan missed 2 hot flips just by being an hour late. Try hash 3, List AI's best finds went fast. Experienced flippers pounce even quicker than AI notification. And the third tool, Vizard, repurposes horizontal YouTube videos and TikTok/Instagram reels, auto edits captions, even background tracks. Jordan tried using Vizard to offer convert your YouTube to short gigs on Fiverr. He got $1. $15 for a 3 video bundle, but the client was picky, wanting endless tweaks, not instant money. Bill $15 closer. Grand total $59 in 18 days. Here's where it gets interesting. Pattern break. B-roll, Jordan in the rain checking phone size. Message pops up. Your short is awesome. Can I order 5 more? Vizard's autoplay testimonial tool let Jordan attach a client thank you message to each delivery. That single feature got him 3 more orders, $45 extra, plus a tip after Fiverr fee. $52 nets. Cliffhanger added up. Does he break $100? Climax 600-700. $59 and $52. Jordan lands at $111 in 25 days. None of it guaranteed, but every dollar tracked. 3 tools, 3 mini income streams. 1. Stockum AI for print-on-man art, $8. 2. List AI for flipping items online, $36 net. 3. Vizard for YouTube to shorts gigs, $67 gross. $52 after fees. Here's the real surprise. At this point, he got hit up by 2 Redbubble buyers for custom AI posters. So a trickle of passive income started, not included in the $111. Mid-video CTA. If you're finding this helpful, smash subscribe. We break down real stories like Jordan's every day, and the next one's about someone tripling this with just 2 of these tools. Resolution 700-800. What's the lesson? None of these were get rich quick. But Jordan proved 3 things. You really can make your first $100, even in 2026. With no tech background, the big name tools are swamped. These underrated ones give regular people a shot. The key is stacking. Don't wait for one to blow up. Run several at once and the income adds up. Here's the kicker. Jordan's still at Target, but 6 weeks late. Those side gigs are pulling in $125, $175 monthly, passively. Not life-changing, but for 1 month's effort, it's a start. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The results may vary. Only use these tools with time and money you can afford to lose. Subscribe and hit the bell. Tomorrow's story. How a college dropout made $830 days leveraging AI flipping with 0 upfront cash. If you like this, watch our next video. 5 AI side hustles you haven't tried 2026.